Ah, someone's at the door. A puppy? Do I know you?
Well, aren't you friendly?
Mom, it's like he knows you.
Whoa! Easy there, little guy.
Why is he looking at that picture? Wait, this dog looks just like Buddy.
Mom, I think you need to see this puppy. Oh, Buddy, I missed you so much. Woof, woof. That can't be possible. He looks exactly like my old dog, Rusty.
The collars match!
Why is he reacting to that place?
I think he wants us to follow him. This is Rusty's favorite place.
I think he found something.
Well, let's see what's inside.
I never thought I'd see these again. There's a number on his tag. Hello? We found a puppy named Buddy.
Buddy, I've been looking everywhere for you. Oh, I'm so glad I found you.
Buddy is Rusty's great-grandson.
Thank you for bringing our memories home, Buddy.
We'll never forget you. What would you name this puppy? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy English stories. See you in the next adventure.